Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. If today is your first day of watching my video, you are really welcome to this channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video to help someone. So today I want to share with you how I make plantain and gizzard sauce. It's very simple, it's very easy to make. So this is my plantain. So the plantain look like banana, but it is called Indian banana. If you go to any grocery, just said you are looking for Indian banana. For those who are not in Nigeria, so if you are outside Nigeria, you don't know what is plantain, just this is Indian banana, you call it Indian banana. So it is exactly plantain like the one we use in Nigeria. And this is my onion, which I'm going to use. I've sliced the onion into a small piece. This is Scotch bonnet. You can use any pepper of your choice, but I choose this Scotch bonnet because it's really spicy and it's really hot. So that is why I like Scotch bonnet, and the flavor, it gives you this special flavor on it. And I have my tomato, my chopped tomato. This is a fresh tomato, but if you don't want to use this type, you can choose to use the fresh one, but you have to blend it because this one is chopped already. And this is my curry powder, which I'm going to use. This is my knorr cube. So this is my gizzard. I'm going to wash this gizzard. I'll make it clean, wash it. And this is my oil. Of course we're going to use oil. So this is all I'm going to be using for this recipe. So if you know you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you'll get more video of me. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much for supporting me from day one till this time. I really appreciate you guys. I really love you guys. Thank you so much. So let's get into it. So this is my gizzard, wash and clean. So now I'm gonna put seasoning to make it taste. Onion. Then I'll put salt. I'll cover it for about 10 minutes. So now while we wait for the gizzard to get to cook well, I'm gonna fry my plantain. So I just added my oil to fry my plantain. I'm gonna see if the oil is hot. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put my plantain. So now my plantain is brown. So this is how it's gonna look. So just transfer it. So it is time to fry my gizzard. So now I'm gonna make this sauce. I've fried my plantain and my gizzard. So now the oil I use frying the plantain and gizzard, so I'm gonna use it for the sauce. So I will add my ginger paste. I always like to use ginger when I'm making sauce. So I will transfer my tomato. Just stir it together. So I will add my scotch bonnet. So I will cover it for about 5 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So after 5 minutes, we have to keep stirring it so that it will not burn. So I will add my curry powder. I will add my nut cube. I will add my gizzard. I'll add my plantain. So mix it very well. So you make sure to reduce your stove. So I just make it to steam for about 3 to 4 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So I'm gonna check how it's cooking. This is nice. Wow. So guys, my food is ready. Gizzard and plantain sauce, as you can see, it's very easy, simple to make. You can make this at home. Within 20 minutes your food is ready, and you can eat it alone or you can eat it with steamed rice. So I use steamed rice with this. So I'm just gonna test it to see how it is. This is really nice. If you've not tried before, please just try it and leave your comment below. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel with your friends, with your loved ones, with your family. Thank you so much for always being there for me. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.